Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to apply dark mode in Google Sheets. So let's started. At first, open your desktop. Now firstly going to the Chrome browser. Now for click, then open your Google Sheets. Now click for a Google Apps. Now select from the sheets. Now click for a blank spreadsheet option. Then you can see my page is a light mode. Then apply from a Google Sheets page is from a light mode. Now open your new tab. Now search bar and type from the light mode. Now from search, now click for a dark mode Chrome Web Store. Now for click, then click for a add to Chrome. Now for click, then click for a add extension. Now for click, then you can see dark mode has been added to Chrome. Now click for button, then we show, then back to the Google Sheets file. Now reload the page. Now for click, that is, then I show apply dark mode in Google Sheet is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.